You just missed court, and now the judge has a no bond capias for you. He has a warrant for your arrest with no bond. What are you going to do? Do you have to stay in jail, or are you entitled to a bond? Well, let's talk about it. You are entitled to a hearing, and at that hearing, the trial court must determine whether your failure to appear in court was willful. And if it was willful, that no conditions of release can reasonably protect the community from risk of physical harm to persons or assure your presence at trial. So the first part of the test, the first part of the hearing is whether or not you willfully fail to show. So let's talk about that. You didn't receive notice for your court date. Can't be willful. You were driving down the interstate. You were going down 95 on your way to the courthouse. You got into a car accident. You were taken to the hospital. It wasn't willful. You were involved in another issue and the police officer arrested you and you're in jail in another county. Not willful. Okay, let's say the court finds it willful. I forgot to come. I didn't pay attention to my court date. I forgot. I overslept. The court finds it willful. Now they have to make a determination of whether or not there are any other conditions of release that can assure that you're going to show up to court next time, that you're going to go to trial. Are there any other means? Well, sure there are. He might put you on pretrial release. He may give you an ankle monitor. He may give you house arrest. There are other conditions. So if you miss court, all is not lost. There's two factors that the court must consider. If it wasn't willful, then you're entitled to a bond and to be released.